What is up, fellas? We're back again with another video, 2 Minute Tuesday, and today we're going to be showing you how to recharge your AC in your E90 BMW. So I have a 330i, which is an N52, and I have this Easy Chill, and so we're going to be showing you the proper way to do this. And my car has a low amount of Freon or R134A, so hopefully refilling this will make my drift events a little bit better. So I'm gonna put on the POV real quick. All right, and so we got the car here, and there's multiple ports here. We got the high pressure port on the left side here, and the low pressure port, which I've already taken this off. And this is the one that you want to use. Do not use a high pressure one. So I'm gonna go back here, grab the key, and I'm gonna start the car. Ugh. All right, then I'm gonna turn the AC on to the coldest setting, and I'm gonna recirculate it, which is what it says to do. Air coming out, not that you can actually tell, but it's not cold. It's like slightly warmer than what is outside, it feels like. All right, so car's running and everything. So now I'm gonna remove this thing. I wanna get a slicer for this. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna open up this guy. Alrighty. So now I'm gonna take this off and put this in here. Okay, so this is on here pretty tight. I'm gonna turn it a couple more times just to make sure. That's probably not gonna leak. If it does, then I guess I'll let you know. So now I'm gonna take this and put it on here. Don't do that. All right, so I have this pressed in, and you can see that there is basically no pressure in there. So I'm gonna take this off and press it. Look, you can see it's slowly going up. So it says on here to like shake it around while you do it. So it's going down a little bit. And so I'm gonna leave it there and check the AC now. I think it's getting colder. Slightly better than before. Well, thanks for joining me for this little video. This is something I've been meaning to do for a while, and it's very, very easy. I'd say the one thing you gotta watch out for is make sure you don't overfill it, and make sure that this is actually the problem with your AC before you fill it up. So when you look at the actual gauge on here, this thing, make sure that it's actually low, and check to see what your car is supposed to be at. Now on here, it has 476 grams, and it tells you the PSI and everything, but at least on this E90, on the hood, it tells you what the pressure needs to be and how much needs to be in there. So there was already some in there. I don't know exactly how much, but I put the pressure up to about 40 PSI-ish, which is right in the center, maybe a little bit higher of the green. And now the AC is blowing nice and cold. I can't tell if it could get any colder or not, but it's good enough for me and it's a lot better than it was before. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, learned something, and I'll see y'all in the next one.